Hey Bobcat Nation, do I have something exciting to show you? We're currently outside the Larson, Troup, and ProRoth residence halls, which went through a full renovation during the 2019-2020 school year and have now reopened. Want to see all the changes? Stay right there. This is Dorm Tours. What's up? I'm Esau. Welcome to the Suites. Located on Quinnipiac's Mount Carmel campus, Larson, Troup, and ProRoth are suite-style residence halls that were recently gutted to the studs and renovated. The new modern residence halls have been completely redesigned and feature all new systems, including electrical, lighting, plumbing, heating, and air conditioning. Come on, let me show you around. As you enter each building, you are met with the new common mall space. Gone are the palm trees, replaced with new lounge and study spaces that include new furniture and convenient features like multiple outlets to keep your devices powered up while studying or working on projects. The mall is also the perfect place to meet your friends, enjoy a snack or meal at one of the high top tables, or participate in a program hosted by your RA. New flooring, interior windows, and wood accent panels surround the suite doors and help define the entrances to the rooms, while creating a modern, warm, and welcoming feeling throughout the entire mall area. Off the mall is a new larger laundry room, as well as a new common kitchen where you can show off your cooking skills. Each suite in Larson, ProRoth, and Troup features 3 to 4 double bedrooms depending on its location. As you enter the suite into the common room, the old flooring and furniture have been replaced with new modern designs for you and your suite mates. New interior windows, lighting, and controls help to create a brighter feel to the space. Every bathroom has new fixtures and finishes in its 3 sinks, 2 showers, and 2 toilets. One of the suites on the first floor of each building has been converted to include a fully accessible bathroom. Welcome to your new room. You're gonna love it. Each bedroom is furnished with versatile and contemporary furniture that you can arrange to perfectly meet your needs. Have I mentioned the new heating and air conditioning? You'll be comfy and cozy inside. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the new and improved suites. To see more dorms on campus, click right here. See you next time on Dorm Tours. Go Bobcats!